At Kupuna Care Pair, we know it takes a village to support someone living with Alzheimer's disease or related dementia. So it's our goal to raise awareness of senior care services in Hawaii and reduce stress for entire families as they navigate an uncertain future for their loved ones. Our free knowledge base of best practices has been developed over a decade of hands-on care, and we empower families to make informed decisions to avoid costly pitfalls, caregiver burnout, and conflict among each other. Through technology, we help families quickly identify appropriate care options so they can focus energy on their loved ones' needs instead of spending so much time starting from scratch just to learn the basics. If you're struggling to support someone living with Alzheimer's disease or related dementia, visit us at kupunacarepair.com so you can sail above the Silver Tsunami.